At exactly 5:30 a.m., we're on our way to eat breakfast because today is a great day. We are going to hike Mount Makiling and we must need to be energized before we hike. So we're here at McDonald's SLEX to eat breakfast together with my friends. So I chose to eat chicken filet a la king. Chicken filet a la king is a very delicious meal from McDonald's, and it is a combination of chicken milk, stock, cheese, and flour, and it contains approximately of 384 calories. So after we ate our breakfast, we're heading to Los Baños. Los Baños started as a settlement called Mainit, the Tagalog term for hot, and alludes to the thermal springs at the foot of Mount Makiling. Through a Franciscan friar, it became popularly called by its present name Los Baños, which is a Spanish word for bathing place.
A few moments later.
Right now we're at the base of Mount Makiling and it is exactly 8:05 in the morning. Well, I can hear the crickets chatting with each other. Joke, that's the sound of nature. So we're here at Makiling Center for Mountain Ecosystems. Mount Makiling is a state-owned forest reserve administered by the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. It was the first national park in the Philippines. So we paid 40 pesos or below $1 entrance fee here just to see the beauty of this mountain. The mountain is sacred to many pilgrims and is widely believed to be the home of an anito named Maria Makiling. Ulit. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So we are going to the Mat Spring Trail.
Hello po, Mami. If ever man hindi niyo po kami makita ulit.
Finally, we're here at the mud spring. It is my first time seeing a mud spring, and it is beautiful. This site is one of the mud pots on Mount Makiling, an inactive volcano. So we're here at the Agala base. We decided to eat lunch because we were hungry. And we must be get ready to the stations 12 to 30. So let's go!
Wow.
Wow! Baba. So we finally reached the top of Mount Makiling. We have just arrived at the station 30 and there's a lot of people here. So sadly I can't see any in here, but according to the climbers, as I walk forward, I will look for it and I will climb there to see the beauty of this mountain. So let's go! Wow! This is absolutely amazing. This is Avatar. You can't find it anywhere in the Philippines unless you climb to this incredible mountain. It's a fun and exhausting trip I've ever had. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you're notified when new videos are posted. And guys, really appreciate you being here. Let's start an adventure again in the next one.